Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. Then go to one-handed mode. Now just tap here to enable one-handed mode and it's enabled. Now here you can see two options of one-handed mode. One is gesture and another is button. If I select gesture from here, now to enable one-handed mode you have to just swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So just do it. And you can see one-handed mode has been enabled successfully. Now to disable one-handed mode you have to just tap on any blank space. And you can see it's disabled successfully. And then if you select button from here, now to enable one-handed mode you have to just double tap on the home button. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you tap on this arrow icon, then you can change your one-handed mode position. Also from here you can resize your one-handed mode. You can also change your one-handed mode position by tapping here. And it's done. And that is how you can enable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.